Hello, dear learners. Today we are going to talk about the MCQs from Social Pharmacy, which was earlier known as Health Education and Community Pharmacy. The topic is Environment and Health. It is again like other chapters, it is further subdivided into many parts. So we are going to start with part 1 today, and we are going to cover few of the MCQs in part 1 of environment and health. As you all know, the chapter basically is divided into 3 parts. First is pollution part, like air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, light pollution. Then second part deals with the water purification, small scale method, large scale method, along with the solid waste management. Okay, then septic tank, okay, liquid treatment. Then next third part deals with the entomology, the medical entomology. That is nothing but it deals with the various infections which are caused due to arthropods. So these things like various a few one mark questions can be asked from the entomology part, like arthropod diseases, rodent pod diseases, etc. Okay, so from part 1 we are going to start with first MCQ. The question is, different small scale purification methods include whether filtration, boiling, chemical disinfection, or all of the above. The correct answer is it is all of the above. Now, as you all know, the second part which deals with the water purification, solid waste management. So, from water purification, basically two methods are there: small scale method, large scale method. Okay. So, small scale method includes this domestic filtration, okay, through cotton club straining, then household boiling, chemical treatment like with chlorine, potassium permanganate, okay, and iodine, etc. So these small scale purification methods are like normal household filtration, household boiling, and chemical disinfection with chlorine and all. So this all methods are for small scale purification. Then next question is, which amongst the given is not a small scale method of purification? Whether it is rapid sand filtration, filtration, boiling, chemical disinfection. The correct answer is it is rapid sand filtration. Normal, just now we have seen the normal household filtration, household boiling, chemical treatment with chlorine and all. So all these are small scale methods, but rapid sand filtration is one of the large scale method of filtration, which is not a small scale method. As you can see here, in rapid sand filtration there are various mechanical units which are joined together. You can see in the picture various mechanical units are joined, so it is also called as mechanical filtration. The sedimentation tank is there, then alum treatment is there, flocculation chamber is there, okay, again sedimentation is there. See, these are the units linked. Then filtration will occur. After filtration, again chemical treatment, chlorination will occur, and then the purified safe for drinking water will be made available, which is a large scale technique. Next question is, large scale water purification methods include whether it is slow sand filtration, biological filtration, rapid sand filtration, or all of the above. As we discussed, the answer is it is all of the above. Large scale water purification methods are, it is the large scale filtration, not household filtration. It is slow sand filtration, rapid sand filtration, UVR treatment. Biological filtration is nothing but slow sand filtration only. As we just now discussed that rapid sand filtration is also known as mechanical filtration, since different mechanical units are linked together. Okay. Along with that, there are other methods also like reverse osmosis, etc. So these are all large scale methods. Next question is, which amongst the given is not a large scale method of purification? Whether it is slow sand filtration, reverse osmosis, rapid sand filtration, or boiling. The correct answer is it is boiling. Amongst the given method, as we discussed so far, slow sand filtration, rapid sand filtration, reverse osmosis, all these are the methods of large scale purification of water. But household boiling is a small scale method of water purification. Next question is, slow sand filtration is also known as dash. Whether it is known as biological filtration, mechanical filtration, Berkfield filtration or Katadin filtration. The correct answer is, it is biological filtration. Now, why biological filtration? Because as you can see here, this is the slow sand filter. Okay, in slow sand filtration, there is a formation of biological layer, as you can see here in the image, that is a smooth deck, which is known by various names. Okay, it is also known as vital layer, it is biological layer, it is also known as smooth deck. Okay, so all these synonyms are for this one layer only, which is nothing but a biological layer. So why it is called as biological filtration? Because this layer which is formed of that of algae will help water to get purified. How? As you can see here, this is green in color, so you very well know the process of photosynthesis. Okay, it will utilize, it will consume the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and it will release the oxygen. Okay, so this biological layer, because of which it is going to help the water to get purified. So this layer which is formed in the slow sand filter is called as the heart of slow sand filtration. So this is also known as biological filtration because of the biological layer formed. Okay, next question is, slow sand filter is also known as dash. Whether it is known as biological filter, whether it is known as mechanical filter, whether it is known as Berkfield filter or Katadin filter, the correct answer is, it is biological filter. Slow sand filter is also known as biological filter, the explanation of which we just now discussed. The biological layer of algae which is formed is responsible for the filtration and it is called as the heart of slow sand filtration. So this biological filter is also known as slow sand filter. Next question is, rapid sand filtration is also known as dash. Whether it is known as biological filtration, whether it is known as mechanical filtration, Berkfield filtration or Katadin filtration, the correct answer is, it is mechanical filtration. Why mechanical filtration? Because as we discussed in our earlier slides, that different mechanical units are linked together, as you can see here in the diagram. That is nothing but this unpurified water is coming here from this vent, and this is the sedimentation tank wherein water will settle down. Okay, the alum treatment will come into picture. Then after that the mixing will occur, then flocculation chamber, the floccules will be formed which will become easier for the next unit, that is sedimentation, that it will settle the floccules, and filtration, it will be easier for the floccules to get easily filtered because of the aggregated form. Then chemical treatment will be there in the picture, that is chlorination, and then the ready clean water will be available for the supply to the community. So because of these different mechanical links linked together, it is also known as mechanical filtration. Next question is, rapid sand filter is also known as dash. Whether it is known as biological filter, mechanical filter, Berkfield filter or Katadin filter, the correct answer is, it is mechanical filter, the explanation of which we just now discussed. Since different mechanical units are linked together, it is known as mechanical filter. Next question is, methods of small scale purification are dash. Whether filtration, boiling, chemical disinfection or all of them, the correct answer is, it is all of them. Small scale method of purification amongst the given includes, yes, household filtration also, household boiling also, treatment with chemicals like chlorine, iodine, potassium permanganate, etc. So the correct answer is it is all of them. As you can see in the picture, this is domestic water for means normal method of filtration. Boiling is there, chemical treatment is there with potassium permanganate or chlorine, and alum treatment, etc. Next question is, chlorination principle include dash, whether it is filtration, sedimentation, residual chlorine of 0.5 mg per liter at the end of 1 hour contact, or none of them. The correct answer is it is residual chlorine of 0.5 mg per liter at the end of 1 hour contact. That means after 1 hour contact of water with the chlorine, the remaining quantity of the chlorine which should be available free in the free form is 0.5 mg per liter for hour. Why this is the limit given? Because it constitutes an important safeguard against the risk of subsequent microbial contamination after treatment, and the amount of chlorine which should be or which is acceptable in our body. Next, as you can see here, this is the undissolved chlorine, water which is getting treated with chlorine gas. Okay, and this residual chlorine, that is free chlorine which is available, should be 0.5 mg per liter of water after 1 hour contact with the chlorine. Next question is, different filters used for filtration include whether ceramic filter, Berkfield filter, Katadyn filter, or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. Different filters used for filtration are, there are various filters like ceramic filter is there, okay, Berkfield filter is there, Katadyn filter is there, as you can see here in the picture. Okay, ceramic filter, Berkfield filter, Katadyn filter, various filters are there. So with this we finish with few of the MCQs from environment and health from social pharmacy. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next part on MCQs from environment and health.